excited to unveil the newest creative hub in the heart of McKinley Hills, Venice Grand Canal. May we call the executives of the Philippine Amusement and Entertainment Corporation to join us the ribbon cutting. Ms. Aizen Cruz, the Vice President of the Philippine Amusement and Entertainment Corporation, and Ms. Slimetastic, the President of the Philippine Amusement and Entertainment Corporation.